Radhe Radhe. So, this is a collective love reading. Those who are listening to it, your situation may resonate to this reading. And if you feel like this is exactly the situation that's going on in your life at present, you will definitely find out what could be the possible outcome. And I'll be sharing the current feelings of your partner also, his hidden feelings also, and the guidance also. Okay? Just think about your person and let me see what had happened in the past. I'll give you all the details, okay? Just a minute. Hold on. What exactly happened in the past between both of you? What's happening at present? What's going to happen in future? Why is this here? Just give me 1 minute, I'll explain. What's happening at present? Why is this here? What's coming up next? Okay. So bottom of the deck is the world. See, the situation, whatever I'm seeing here, in the past, there would have been some kind of misunderstandings. Like one of you, either him or her or you, would have felt like the charm in the situation would have lost, and the other person might be interested in somebody else. And I can clearly see this is something where somebody else in the mix is influencing your situation. This person can be anybody, any XYZ. You might not be knowing this, but this was the situation that impacted. Maybe your partner's friendship with somebody, you didn't like it and you started feeling as if you're very unwanted in the situation. It would have been previously like that, and that would have been the reason that you all disconnected, or the situation got disconnected automatically. Okay, at present I'm seeing that this is a combined energy. So both of you are feeling as if the situation has gone a little very difficult, where it's very difficult to handle the situation. Lot of efforts need to be done because you both are feeling very drained out in the present situation. You feel like just to bring the situation back on the track, you will have to put a lot of efforts. Lot of competition is also there. Both of you also, your partner also, you both are actually craving for each other's attention. It's just it signifies that you and the other person, both of you, are feeling as if if there is any signal or any sign from the other side, then I'll proceed further. And both of you are mirroring each other. The other person, your partner, is also feeling ki, let me see if he or she is giving me any gesture where she wants to connect, I'll come forward. But there is a wall of ego in between. There is a fear of rejection also. This is from your person's side, a fear of rejection. Okay, what if I'm coming forward and he or she rejects me? His or her ego will get hurt. Just a second, wait. Okay, so this is the present situation. Fine. And now when I'm seeing the outcome, I'm glad to see the outcome because I can clearly see that both of you, I said this is a combined energy. Okay, I'll give you in detail what exactly your person is currently thinking about you soon after this. Okay, I can clearly see that there is a plan of reconciliation. Okay, and again that passion is being reignited between both of you, and that's great. Let me see what exactly is your person thinking about you at present. Wait. Then I'll let you know his or her current feelings, the hidden feelings also, that the other person has never ever shared with you. Okay, let me see. What exactly is your person thinking about you at present, at this very moment? See, again, I said no, the similar cards. I told you, no, this person feels like a lot of effort has to be put. But this person is realizing, there is some sort of sudden realization that the situation was not equally reciprocated. Okay, it was absolutely one-sided. One of you was giving more to the situation and the other person was not, and he is thinking from his point of view or her point of view that this time when this person connects to you, he or she will try to fulfill whatever was lost earlier and whatever was lacking in the situation. This is the present mindset of your person. This is what I am seeing. Now let me see his or her hidden feelings for you. Okay, let me see. Just a minute. Universe, please give me the hidden feelings of the person on my viewer's mind. Let me see their hidden feelings for you. What the other person is thinking about you. See, I told you, no, I don't react when people mention you. I'm becoming a better person. This person is trying to become a better version of him or herself. I told you in the reading that it is there in this person's mind that whenever he or she is coming towards you, that would be a situation where this person will try to give his or her best, whatever was lacking in the situation. See, and this is, see the bottom of the deck. See, this person has a fear that you are leaving this person behind, and that would be the reason that this person would be coming forward. Let me see time frame. What is the possibility that when this person may appear? What could be the possible time frame for that? It must be within the first week of May. Must be within the first week. I mean to say before the ending of the first week of May. Almost half of the April is already gone. Okay, now just wait for 3 to 4 weeks, hardly 3 to 4 weeks, and this person must come up. Okay, now let me seek guidance for you. What you should do, what my viewers who are seeing this video, what you should do exactly in the situation to bring clarity and for the betterment of the relationship, of your relationship with your partner. Let me see. What is the universal guidance? Pay attention to the sign. The synchronicities you have been noticing are not coincidences. See, you might be seeing some synchronicities, some numbers, the repeated numbers and all. Definitely. Don't keep the door open. Don't be so focused on a closed door that you don't see the ones which are open for you. See, universe is clearly asking you to be very open to receive what universe is trying to present to you. Just believe in the divine timing and be very assertive regarding these things. Do one thing. You might be seeing synchronicities. Okay, now you're supposed to let go of everything. You know what do you want? Just imagine it having, that's the person is already there in your life. Imagine having a very beautiful connection with this person and then let go. Imagine, feel as if it's already yours and then let go. This way, the whatever situation you have seen and whatever outcome you have seen, it will manifest even faster for you. Okay? God bless you. Stay blessed. Radhe Radhe.